Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your science class. In our previous video, we learnt about parts of human respiratory system. In this video, we are going to learn about the physiology of gas exchange. Students, you know that our nose has two holes which are called nostrils, and there is a passage in the nose behind the nostrils called nasal cavity. When we breathe in air, the oxygen rich air passes through our nostrils into the nasal cavity. From the nasal cavity, the clean, moist and warm air passes into the pharynx and then into the larynx. The air from pharynx reaches to trachea, also known as windpipe, and the trachea branches into two thinner tubes called bronchi, which enters the lungs. After entering the lungs, each bronchus divides to form a large number of smaller tubes called bronchioles, and the bronchioles have tiny air sacs at their ends called alveoli. Remember students, each lung contains millions of alveoli, and the walls of alveoli are very thin and surrounded by very thin blood capillaries. So my dear students, now we understand the path of air in the respiratory system. The air enters the nose through nostrils, passes to the nasal cavity, then to the pharynx, larynx and trachea, and the air from the trachea through the bronchi and bronchioles finally enters the alveoli. Remember students, the amount of oxygen is more in alveoli than the blood present in the surrounding capillaries, and because of this reason, the oxygen of the air diffuses out from the thin walls of the alveoli into the blood capillaries. Oxygen combines with the hemoglobin in the blood to form oxyhemoglobin, and the oxygenated blood from the lungs reaches the heart through the blood vessels. The heart pumps the blood and supplies the oxygen to each and every cell of the body with the help of blood vessels and blood capillaries. Similarly, carbon dioxide, the waste product of cellular respiration, has to be eliminated from the body. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by the blood capillaries, reaches the heart through blood vessels. The heart pumps deoxygenated blood, that is carbon dioxide rich blood, into the lungs. In the lungs, the blood carries carbon dioxide to the alveoli. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by the blood capillaries surrounding alveoli. As we know that there is more carbon dioxide in the blood than in the alveoli, so this carbon dioxide gas diffuses from the blood capillaries into the alveoli. This carbon dioxide gas is removed with the air we breathe out. Remember students, the actual exchange of gases takes place in the alveolus. That's all in this video. Thank you.